Welcome. In front of me I have the Lenovo Legion Pro. Now, this is not necessarily a new device. It has come out, I believe, like a year ago, so I'm a little bit late to the party, but still, I'm gonna go over unboxing along with a quick overview of these specs. Now, just before I begin, I will mention that there is a newer version of it that Lenovo released, which is the Lenovo Legion Pro 2. I believe that's exactly the name of it. So that might be a better offer at this moment, considering I would assume it's going to be relatively similarly priced to what they were offering this at, but obviously it's going to be running a newer specification, so better processors and all that stuff. So anyway, let's just pop it open. Doesn't look like there's any kind of tab for me to pull, so I'm just gonna cut this and just completely tear it apart. Okay, and there we go. Now it looks like we do have a little sticker right here from, obviously, for the packaging reason. Come on. There we go. I'm trying to figure out how to open this, and it looks like it opens not like that, because the phone is what is that supposed to be? I think whatever it's supposed to be doing is a little bit broken. It sounds like it's kind of stuck, lagging out or whatever. Yes, I'm just gonna take out the phone. There we go. Hold it into space so it doesn't make that annoying noise. And here we get some, I think, paperwork underneath, or it's just maybe not even. Then we have. It looks like I do have to open this up to actually keep on going with this, which is a little bit annoying. So I will try to not talk much, because I don't know how much the microphone is picking that sound up. So I assume it might be cutting in with what I will be saying. So I'm just not going to be saying anything, which something tells me that not very many people will mind this. So anyway. Okay, so we got that out of the way. I just took out everything quite quickly, just so I don't have to be subjected to this annoying sound. And here's our phone. We did get a plastic case for the device, which actually is a little bit thicker than I would have expected, at least on the bottom bezel. And we also get a Type-C to headphone jack adapter, which I don't even know if we need it. I think this phone actually had a headphone jack. Oh, no, it looks like it does not. Anyway, I'll just pop it open. Can I like slide it out? There we go. I can. So here is our phone. This is a fairly unique design. I think I'm pressing the power key. Either the device is completely dead, or I'm stupid to not know where the actual power button is. Which, to be honest, both of those seem like a fairly possible option. So anyway, I'm just gonna quickly plug it in with hopes that this will get the phone going. Truth be told, I have never encountered a phone that came dead, so that will be a first. And honestly, wait, actually I have a better charger than this right here. Anything? Yeah, these are volume keys, there's up and down. Anything? That's a first, to be honest. I'm gonna plug it in maybe to this charger and try to see if that will get it going. Like, I literally see no signs of life from this device. It's like it doesn't even work. So anyway, I'm gonna... Oh, wow. I'm trying to get it charging while it's not even plugged in. Go me. Anyway, I'm just gonna plug it in with this one. Hopefully this will give it some life. Ah, there we go. So in a second, I guess I'll find out if the battery is completely dead or not really. So anyway, let's quickly... Oh, I think it was dead, which is a little bit of a new thing I have never experienced with a brand new device being actually dead. And I'm trying to figure out what it's actually doing right now. Is it like trying to constantly turn on but the battery is too low? That is really nice. Yep, it looks like it's completely dead, but for some reason it's constantly trying to turn on and it can't. And it also looks like the phone can't be charged with just a single port, which is also kind of does that mean that it's charging? Anyway, I guess I'm just gonna cut the video right now, let it charge for a little bit, and come back once I can turn it on, because as you can see, I can't really showcase anything right here, and it's pointless to tell you about for instance, like the display and how great it is from the spec sheet, if you can't even see a damn thing on it. So yeah, I'm just gonna cut it, come back once I can actually turn it on. So hopefully that will be soon.